Hey guys, today I'll show you how to remove and reinstall the front door panel on a 2014 Toyota Corolla. So I'll remove the tweeter first. I'll pry behind here to unclip it. And here's the clip that was holding it in place. There's a trick to putting this back on that I'll show you later, and I'm gonna leave the electrical wire connected. Now I'll remove the door handle cover. It has a small slot here at the bottom for a pry tool. So I'm gonna put my pry tool in here and then pull out the cover. Now I'm gonna pry up and on the sides. And that came out pretty easily. But make sure that you're gentle when prying out this cover, because all these clips underneath are fragile and they can break. So there are two screws at the top and bottom here underneath the cover, and they're both Phillips head. And they can be a little bit difficult to get out once they're unscrewed, but make sure you get them out so you don't lose them. Both the top and bottom screws are exactly the same. Now I'll pop off the cover here. I'm using a sharp needle tool. And now I can remove the screw with a Phillips head screwdriver. Now I can remove the door panel, so I can grab on the side here to pull on it and release the clips. And just to warn you, sometimes these clips do break, but it hasn't happened on my car yet. There's one more grab point underneath, so I'll pull on both at the same time to disengage the clips. And it looks like I have all the clips out. Now I can lift the panel up and out. There are two cables to remove here. Remember that the green one goes on the bottom, and the cable sleeve just pulls out, and then the ball pops out. And the last step is to remove the wire harness, but it's difficult to take it out from this position, so I'm gonna have to get the whole button assembly out, so I'll start by removing the handrest first. These clips here are for the handrest, and I'll just press on them to take the handrest out. And I got a few out. Now I can pull on the handrest. And there it goes. Now I can unclip the button assembly, so I'll just push the clip underneath. And now I can pull it to the side and out. I'm gonna hang the door panel temporarily on the top so I can undo the electrical clip now. So here's the electrical connector. It's tough to take this out by hand. So the trick is this little square here, which can be disengaged with a screwdriver. And once I put it in, it comes right out. Make sure that you put the screwdriver right above the square here. Now I can pull the connector out. Now I can push the connector back in. And if it's not going in, it's because the sleeve is not all the way up. So just pull the sleeve up until it clicks, and then it should go right in. To reinstall the button assembly, I'll align the clip on the right first with a door panel trim. And I have the clip on the right in. Now I can press it down on the left side. And the handrest just clips in by pressing it back down. Now I'll connect the cables back in, slide the ball in first, and then snap the cable sleeve in. Make sure the green one is on the bottom and that they're in properly. Now I'll lift the panel on top of the door and press it down. And make sure it's flush all the way down. And now I can push on the panel to engage the clips. So the panel's in, I can reinstall the screws now. And I can clip the handle cover back in. To put the tweeter back in, the clip goes back in the hole here. But first, these two side hooks have to clip behind the metal here. So I'm gonna clip the hooks on the left first underneath the metal, and then I can push on it and clip it in. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll be posting more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.